came in to the Silicon Valley, got traction, and actually over the past year has been able to grow over 40%, which is really significant. Well, one of the big obstacles that this company had run into is that the proprietor had a relationship with his bank that he had always worked with. And he went in and said, hey, I need a business loan, because he had grown pretty rapidly and he started having some cash flow needs to help him get over the next level of growth that he had started. So he went through the entire application process. It took an extended period of time to finally get a, no, I'm sorry, you're not the type of business that we work with. And so what we did and what we've designed at the Small Business Development Center is a program to try to compress the time so that businesses that are looking for funding, whether it's traditional through an SBA loan or through other methods, we can identify the right type of funding source, get the introduction going, move as quickly as possible through the application and underwriting process, and then eventually a success. So the success of this software company was that they were able to significantly qualify and get offers for lines of credit as well as traditional loans.
So let's go back. You had mentioned